mastered advanced English in just 5 days. I know. You are going to say, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? बुद्धू समझा है क्या? Let me tell you, I actually did it. It was not just rote learning, it was strategy. एंड उस स्ट्रैटेजी को लगाकर आप भी ये कर सकते हो. जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि एडवांस इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए आपको चाहिए इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस, एडवांस वाले, बेसिक वाले नहीं. बट एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन आता है हमेशा कि कितने चाहिए एक्चुअली. आंसर इज 100 एट लीस्ट. 100 एडवांस इंग्लिश इडियम्स या फ्रेजेस आपकी इंग्लिश में तो जरूर होने चाहिए. एंड आई डिड एग्जैक्टली सेम. सबसे पहले मैंने इन्हीं 100 इडियम्स को मास्टर किया. It took my English to next level. And today I'm going to share my secret strategy with you. We are going to cover 100 advanced English idioms that will also take your English to next level. And please don't try to skip this video because it's about your learning. हर जगह shortcut नहीं चलता. Watch it till the end. Let's get started. Make waves. That means to cause disturbance or attract attention. हिंदी में जिसे कहते हैं ना तहलका मचा देना. अब ये पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. लेट्स सी विद एन एग्जांपल. शी मेड waves when she announced her resignation. Not playing with a full deck. That means to act irrationally. हिंदी में हम कह सकते हैं कि जब हम ना समझों की तरह बिहेव करते हैं, यानी कि बेवकूफों की तरह बिहेव करना. After that argument is not playing it with full deck. On the ball. That means to be always ready. Be quick and efficient. किसी भी चीज के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहना. For example, she is always on the ball when it comes to deadline. Money doesn't grow on trees. I'm sure this is going to be your parents' favorite one. That means पैसे पेड़ पर नहीं उगते. Money is limited, so spend it wisely. For example, be mindful of your spending because money doesn't grow on trees. Once in a blue moon. That means very rarely. यानी कि कभी कभार. जो भी चीज आप रोज नहीं करते, कभी कभार ही करते हो. I go out on vacation once in a blue moon. Out of the fry pan into the fire. That means आसमान से गिरा और खजूर में अटका. That means going from a bad situation to a worse one. For example, when she left the job, she was out of the frying pan and into the fire. Put all your eggs in one basket. That means to rely on one option. यानी किसी भी चीज को लेकर इतना भरोसा करना कि आप उस पर ही अपना पूरा दारोमदार टिका देते हो. When it comes to share market investing, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Rome wasn't built in a day. That means important things take time. किसी भी अच्छी चीज में वक्त लगता है. For example, when it comes to growing your YouTube channel, remember, everything takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day. आपका भी YouTube चैनल है, सो कमेंट करके बताइए आप इस बात से कितना रिलेट करते हो. Spill the beans. That means to reveal a secret. किसी भी राज को खोलना. For example, she spilled the beans about her surprise party. Take things with a grain of salt. इसको ऐसे भी कहते हैं take things with a pinch of salt. That means to not take something too seriously. आपको अगर कोई क्रिटिसाइज करे, आपने कमियां निकाले, सो उस चीज को भी you should take with a grain of salt. पूरा अगर उस पर बिलीव करोगे तो हो सकता है वो क्रिटिसिज्म जेन्युइन ना भी हो, but you will feel inferior. Always take criticism with a grain of salt. The early bird catches the worm. That means the person who acts first or early always gets the success. He is always first to arrive. And that is why he is the early bird who catches the worm. Whole 9 yards. That means everything. She's so kind when it comes to helping others. She always goes the whole 9 yards. That means she does everything for them. To throw someone under the bus. That means to sacrifice someone for your own personal benefit. यानी कि अपने फायदे के लिए किसी और का इस्तेमाल करना. For example, to cover his mistake, he threw the manager under the bus. Turn a blind eye. That means to ignore something deliberately. जानबूझकर किसी चीज को अनदेखा करना. For example, this is such an important matter. How can you just turn a blind eye to it? Under the weather. That means to not feel good. जब आपको अच्छा महसूस नहीं होता, you can simply say, I am under the weather today. Or I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I might have to cancel the meeting. To walk on air. That means to be extremely happy. For example, when she got her dream job, she was walking on air. What's the catch? That means what's the hidden downside? किसी भी चीज में जब हम कहते हैं ना कि इसमें कुछ तो झोल है, उस झोल को एक्चुअली वी से कैच. द डील लुक्स गुड. व्हाट्स द कैच? Here's my favorite one. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. That means to have the power to rise above the challenges. जब situation difficult हो जाती है तब भी जो लोग हार नहीं मानते and they keep going, they get going. The team didn't back down because they knew when the going gets tough, the tough get going. You can't judge a book by its cover. That means ऊपर ऊपर से देख के आप किसी को judge नहीं कर सकते. You cannot judge somebody superficially just on appearance. For example, he looks serious, but you can't really judge a book by its cover. You scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. That means to help each other out. यानी कि तुम मेरी हेल्प करो, मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प करूंगी. I'll help you with your project only if you help me with mine. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. Simple. Now let me tell you my hidden strategy for mastering 100 idioms effortlessly. I know 100 idioms might sound a bit overwhelming, but in my case, how did I do it so effortlessly? Just because I followed the right strategy. Instead of overwhelming myself by working on all 100 idioms at once, I divided them into equal categories and converted this into 5-day challenge. So my target was 20 idioms per day. I was to make sure कि मैं 20 idioms एक दिन में इतने अच्छे से practice कर लूँ कि next day के लिए I'll be totally ready and clear, so that the next day 20 idioms target will not affect my day one learning. And this is what you have to do as well. So far we have completed our 20 idioms. That is your challenge for day one. Go and practice this till you get them all right. And next day don't forget to come back at 2 p.m. for next part, which is going to be 20 more new advanced idioms for you. But for that, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and comment challenge accepted. Let me see how many of you can actually take this challenge. I'll see you in part 2 of this video tomorrow right at 2 p.m. Bye.